Going to the racetracks, gonna race a little bit.
Grab that sentence. Slide it. Got it?
All right, Leo, let's do real quick. Let's take a look. I got a 2006 Fatboy. Quick, we've been doing handlebar jobs, so give Leo a call in in parts, because we've been doing handlebar jobs. Still running that 10% off cable kits, 50% off handlebars. 06 Fatboy in for a simple handlebar swap. He's gonna go from his stock handlebars to 12-inch apehangers. So if you come over here, you know, we're just finishing up the internal wiring. He's finishing up his extensions here, and we'll be good to go. So once we wrap that up, we'll take a look. He's going with the Magnum Sterling Chromonite cable kit, which is great. It's going to look really, really nice. But we'll do it before and after so you can see how it looks like. 06 Fatboy with hard bags. We'll take a look, do it before and after, and go from there. All right, we're back. 06 Fatboy, yes, 06 Fatboy with hard bags. Finished up the handlebar job, so we went with 14-inch apehangers. Went with the Magnum Shielding Chromonite cables. Looks great. Aesthetically, it looks a lot better. So he's going to be very happy before and after. So if you're looking for handlebar jobs, give us a call and we'll get it done.
Oh wait, I like their policy. Maybe I'll vote for them.
My God, for the service, please. My customer service.
Black.